Okay, today I wanted to talk about the importance of movement. You've got to move. I exercise typically 5 days a week. I take 2 days off, 2 days rest, because some of my workouts are intense, okay? You saw me the other day, I was using my sled. I do sled work, forward and backwards, and other body weight exercises. So I usually do 2 of those, sometimes 3 of those a week, which you need to recover from. So today's like a recovery day, but I still want to move. So what am I going to do? I'm going to walk. I'm out in nature. I'm in my backyard. I got my fruit trees, my mango tree back here. I got my sapodilla trees over here. And I'm going to walk, and I walk forwards and backwards. I love walking backwards. Very good for your knees. And then I'll do some light stretching. Like I typically take 5 stretches. I'm working my calves, my quads, my hamstrings, my lower back. What else am I doing? My IT band. I'll take 5 stretches, and it varies. There's a lot of different things you can do. I got about 20 or 30 different exercises that I picked up from Ben Patrick, knees over toes guy, and they've been working great. So, but you have to regress sometimes. Regressing is a good thing. Remember that. Sometimes you just go a little bit, you want to go stretch without pain, okay? You want to try and go to full range, but you don't want excruciating pain. Maybe a little discomfort is okay, but nowhere near pain. And then you just keep working it, and eventually, over time, it's going to start to loosen up. You're going to get that synovial fluid working again, and you'll get your mobility back. You'll get your range of motion back. So today's a light day. Walking, some light stretching, that's it. But I'm moving. See, that's the key. Don't just sit there and not do anything. Get out and move. That's going to be key for you. All the best. Please give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel if it's the first time here, and check out some of the other videos while you're here. All the best, guys, to your health, success, and remember, fruit up. Fruit up, baby. Get those carbs.